There are two types of Google Sites that you can use to sell digital products online in 2024. 1. Standard Google Sites. This is the traditional Google Sites platform that allows you to create a simple website with basic features. You can use this type of Google site to sell digital products by following the steps mentioned in my previous response. 2. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, Sites. This is an advanced version of Google Sites that comes with additional features and integrations for businesses and organizations. With Google Workspace Sites, you can create more complex websites with custom domains, branding, and collaboration tools. You can also use Google Workspace apps like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides to create and share digital products directly from your website. Both types of Google Sites are free to use, but Google Workspace Sites require a subscription fee for advanced features and support. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget for selling digital products online in 2024. 1. Create a Google site. Go to Google Sites and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Create button to create a new site. Choose a template that suits your digital products and customize it according to your preference. 2. Add your digital products. Upload your digital products to Google Drive or any other cloud storage service. Then embed the links of your products into your Google site using the Insert tab. You can also add descriptions, prices, and images of your products. 3. Set up payment method. Integrate a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe into your Google site using the Add-ons tab. Follow the instructions provided by the payment gateway to set up your account and connect it to your Google site. 4. Configure checkout process. Customize the checkout process by adding a shopping cart, order form, and confirmation page. You can also add shipping options and tax rates based on your location and customer's location. 5. Promote your products. Use social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to promote your digital products on Google Sites. You can also collaborate with influencers, bloggers, and affiliates to reach a wider audience. 6. Provide customer support. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints via email, phone, or live chat. Provide clear instructions on how to use your digital products and offer refunds or exchanges if necessary. 7. Analyze sales data. Use Google Analytics to track sales, traffic, and conversion rates on your Google site. Analyze the data to identify trends, opportunities, and challenges, and make informed decisions for future improvements.